Hey guys, it's Makaya. Welcome to my channel. If you're new and if you're not, thank you so much for joining me again today. So as you guys can see by the title of this video, this is going to be a holiday glam makeup tutorial. Okay, I decided that I'm ready to wear makeup again. I've been doing the cute, you know, simple, effortless looks, and I'm kind of tired. Okay, I'm ready to get back to what I do best. Okay, and that is makeup. So it's been a while, but your girl's back, full glam. It feels so good. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Okay guys, so we're gonna be starting off with a fresh, clean, moisturized face. I already primed and everything, but this is mainly about the eyes. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is take my favorite new product. This is the e.l.f. brow lift, y'all, and it just makes your brows look laminated, and I really didn't have to fill them in that much. I have pretty nice eyebrows already. Like, I don't have to fill them in that much, but you really don't have to when you use the brow lift. Now I'm just going to conceal them a little bit with the e.l.f. concealer in like this yellowy shade. It's called Deep Olive, and then like a lighter one. I'm not sure the shade for that one, but all the products will be in the description box. But I'm just gonna carve out my brows and go ahead and do my eyeshadow base, which is concealer. Y'all know I only use concealer. I don't use eyeshadow bases because they're too sticky, and I don't like the sticky, tacky type feel for my eyeshadow. I just prefer to like start on something that's smooth. So I use a little bit of the light concealer and then some translucent powder, and that's all I use to set my base. The first thing that I'm going to do is take this transition shade, and this is the Morphe 35N palette. It's like a light neutral orange. It's not too orange, but it's not too brown either. Like, I wanted this look to be more on the warm side than like neutral, as in like ashy tones. I wanted it to be a little bit more warm. So I'm gonna take this deep like burnt orange shade as well, and then I'm just gonna make sure that those two are like blended together evenly. You don't want it to be a little too harsh. However, this part is where it's a little bit more harsh. I'm taking this brown shade in the Katvond ladybird palette, and I'm just going to put that only in the crease, and as you guys can see, I'm angling it out to give it that little like winged effect. And you just want to keep adding as much as you need to get the opaqueness that you would like. I did about maybe 4 layers of that brown shade, just because I was picking up a little bit at a time. And then you're just going to go in with the transition shade to blend that out just a little bit. Now to cut the crease, I just put a little concealer on my eyelids. I look up to see like where it's going to stop for me, and then I just blend the concealer out to the shape that I want. So once I'm done blending out the concealer, I'm just going to set that eyeshadow base or concealer with this really pretty, this is more of a neutral shade, ashier toned, but it's a really pretty nude. I'm going to put that all over the lid. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of these glitters out of the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette on my finger. I want it to be very faint. Like, I don't want a packed on glitter eyeshadow look. I just want a little sparkle, you know, for the holidays. And now I'm just going to do my wing liner. Very simple, very easy, but for the wing part, I definitely wanted it to be attached to the side of the like cut crease. So as you guys can see, I'm making it connect. You want to bring it up so that it connects, and then finish the wing off. The concealer that's below the eyeliner, that won't even be there once I'm done concealing and doing all that stuff. So now I'm using my Ruby Kisses mascara, just a little bit, not too much, because I'm gonna wear falsies. I don't remember what these lashes are called, y'all, but you can use any kind of like wispy lash. Most of my lashes are out of the packaging, so I can't even tell you what lash I have on in pretty much any of my videos anymore, unless I buy some new ones, which I do, and I just end up taking them out. But now I'm gonna tight line my waterline using the e.l.f. gel liner in black, and I'm just gonna take this little smudge flat brush and go in with that brown shade again under the waterline, a little bit of mascara, and then we're gonna take those two really pretty glittery shades in that same Huda Beauty palette, and I'm just gonna put that in the inner corner for the highlight. It's so pretty. It really does give holiday. Y'all really miss doing like glam looks. But anywho, I'm gonna take this really pretty shade in the Nicole Guerrero and ABH highlighter palette. I'm just gonna put a little bit. Y'all know I'm not that big on highlighting my face, just really the nose, honestly. And then for the lip, I'm gonna do a really pretty like light pink shade. I decided to do 2 lips for this look, just to give you guys some options. You don't have to do a nude lip all the time. You could do something a little bit more bold, because this is a neutral look. And so I'm just gonna take my Ruby Kisses lip liner in the shade Cappuccino, this NYX lingerie liquid lipstick, and I think it's in the shade Corset, just a little bit, and I'm gonna make sure I blend that on my lips, because I'm then gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution lipstick, and if I'm not mistaken, it's in the shade Nude. It has more of like a pinkier undertone to it. It's so pretty. And then on top of that, I'm gonna do my MAC daxxleglass. I don't remember the shade of this, but it will be in the description box. So for lip combo number 2, I'm going to be using this NK lip liner. It's actually a brow pencil, but y'all, I use these pencils for everything. Brows, eyes, lips. I mean, makeup is meant to be used in different ways. Like, it doesn't have to be used for exactly what it's telling you to. But I'm just going to line my lips in like a dark brown shade, and then I'm going to line my lips using the Too Faced Melted Liquid Lipstick in the shade Drop Dead Red. I like to outline it first and then fill it in. Just because with darker shades, you have to be more careful and to not get it like all over your face. So, but yeah, you guys, you can do a deep red. You could do a bright red. I figured that bright red would be like expected, and so I decided to go with like a deeper red, because I feel like it offsets the really light eyes. But yeah, y'all, you could do any kind of shade. Pink. You can even do purple if you want. But yeah, y'all, that's the finished look. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed this video, as always, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Also, all the products that I use in this video will be down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Also, did I say also already? I probably did, but also, let me know down below in the comment section what kind of videos you guys want to see from me. I really want to do a like question type video where like I answer questions that you guys might have for me. If you guys want to see makeup tutorials, more vlogs, just cooking videos, any kind of content, let me know so I know, like, you know, what to keep in mind when it's time for me to film. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye, y'all.